So we went ahead and grabbed the rims and tires and brought them up, and we're just going to give them a quick clean with the pressure washer, knock off any dirt that's on them, because they were pretty dirty. So that's what we're up to now. Then we're going to go up front and put the rear back on. I'm getting splashed with water. Put the rear back on and remove the front and the front rotors, and come up and do the same thing to the front rotors and the front rim/tires. So that's all we're up to right now. So I guess we'll be back in a little bit, show you the progress, show you what they look like when we finish. So the pressure washer didn't really work that great. We only made it this far. A lot of this stuff is coming off if I just wipe it with my fingers. It's just coming off. But the pressure washer isn't extremely powerful, so it didn't really get off a lot of the dirt. So we're gonna go ahead and just scrub it by hand. We got a bucket of soapy water and scrub brush and a couple sponges. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so here's where we made it so far. This is the clean rim. We got it as clean as we could. Not all of the rust spots will come off. Well, brake dust that's on here will come off. This is the old tire. I think you can see the difference. Stuff is just wipes off on my finger. So we're gonna go ahead and scrub that one here in a minute. But as you can see also, I don't know if you can tell, this is a BF Goodrich tire, and the tire on this one is a Firestone. So the tires were not matching. So we're gonna go ahead and finish scrubbing these. Just give them a real quick clean. We're not getting them perfect now. Later when we get new tires, we might try to give them a better scrub then, but that's what we're up to for now, and we're gonna finish up and we'll be back with you guys in a little while. So we finished up cleaning up the back rims. That is the rear rim. We put both of the wheels back on in the rear and dropped it down. That is the rear cleaned up compared to the front, which is dirty. I think you can see there's a big difference. It's extremely dirty. It's got all the residue on it, and this one's all shiny now. And then up here we are getting ready to pull off the rotors so we can get them cleaned up. It failed because of the excess rust up here, which we think we're just going to be able to clean off. So we're going to go ahead and pull both front wheels and the rotors and take them back and clean them up a little bit, and then come throw them back on. And then maybe after that we're going to go ahead and do the motor mount up front. I'm not quite sure. I'm kind of starting to get a little worn out. We've been at this all day working on this car so we can get it to pass inspection. I'm all dirty now, but I will see you guys here in a little bit. So here's our dilemma now. Like I said, we're going to try to get the rotors off. We got them loose, but it's still stuck. It doesn't want to come off, so we have to work at it a little more. We went and got a wire brush. So we're going to hit it a couple times and see if we can go ahead and get the rotor off so we can go ahead and clean it up. So as you guys can see now, I am a mess. My jeans are soaked from cleaning the rims on the car, but here's the finished product all the way around. There's the front over here. Just finishing up tightening up the lugs. Here's the driver's side rim, rear, and then the rear on the other side. They look a lot better than they were. We also cleaned up the brakes and the brake pads, the rotors, the calipers, got them all cleaned up and they all look good now. But that's it for this evening. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.